Assalamu alaikum my YouTube members. Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel again. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also remember to press bell icon. So today's lesson is about types of essay. As you had learned in my previous lessons about how you can write an effective essay and parts of essay. So today you will learn about types of essays. So let's start. So basically, first type of essay is a formal essay. This is also known as an impersonal essay. The content is informative and scientific in nature. The writer uses the aesthetic approach in language and style. So in formal essay, you write on different topics. Then there is another type of essay, that is informal essay. It is also called familiar or personal essay. This you can write about your mother, your father, your home persons and your family and your friends. It expresses personal experiences or observations on human nature. Its purpose is to entertain rather than to inform. So basically the difference between formal and informal essay is like that. Informal essays related to your personal experiences, while formal essays related to the worldwide experiments. For example, on land pollution, if you have written an essay, that is a formal essay. But if you have written an essay that how you can enjoy a rainy day, so this is an informal essay. So let's discuss about the forms of essays. So number first is descriptive essay. It is an essay that illustrates by using sensory words in order to bring to the reader's imagination what is being talked about. So in descriptive essay, you have to put or write down the description of that topic. For example, if I have given you the topic of the most influential person in your family or in your life, so you have to illustrate its description, its physical description, its overall description, which the reader begins to its imaginations, which the people imaginate about those things. Next essay is about narrative essay. So basically it is an essay that tells a story of a writer or other story. It is usually found in the feature writing sections of newspaper or magazines. So basically narrative essay covers an imaginative purpose of something. It covers the feature writing. It covers the writing you found in feature writing. Next is expository essay. So it is an essay that explains something so that reader can understand. Here you have to understand the topic, that what the topic is and what does it means. Next type of essay is persuasive essay. It is an essay that convinces the reader to think in a certain way. लाइक आप लोगों को परसुएसिव वर्ड आया परसुएड से. परसुएड मीनिंग इज कन्वेंस और टू परसुएड समवन. तो यहाँ पर हमें अपने रीडर्स को कन्विंस करना पड़ता है दैट व्हाट अबाउट वी आर टॉकिंग इज करेक्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल, I am talking about the pros and cons of media, the role of media, but I support media. तो मुझे अपने readers को persuade करना पड़ेगा that what I am talking about is correct in my way and in your way also. So there are some elements of an essay like audience. It refers to whom the essay is intended for. First of all, आपको देखना पड़ेगा that what type of audience you have who read your essay. If you are writing for अगर आप लोग पेपर के लिए लिख रहे हैं तो फिर आप लोगों को एग्जामिनर के माइंडसेट के हिसाब से लिखना पड़ेगा. अगर आप लोग अपनी क्लास में लिख रहे हैं then you have to write it according to the mindset of your teacher, that what type of nature your teacher has, whether she like or he like a good type of essay or a descriptive essay. Second one is the purpose. It refers to the intention or goal in writing the essay. First of all, you have a purpose, that for what goal you are writing this essay. Then subject. It is the topic discussed in the subject. You have to explain deeply about the topic of the subject, that what you people want to write in this essay about that topic. Next point is point of view. It is how the ideas are told to the reader. ठीक है. First of all, you build up many ideas, bring a storm of unconsciousness about in your brain, through which you can write ideas, you can gain ideas. Then you also have a theme. इट रेफर्स टू द लेसन और मैसेज ऑफ द एसे. अगर आप कोई ऐसे लिख रहे हैं, उस ऐसे के थ्रू कोई ना कोई मैसेज जाना चाहिए पढ़ने वालों को. देन मूड, इट रेफर्स टू द फीलिंग विच द राइटर वुड लाइक द रीडर टू एक्सपीरियंस और गेट फ्रॉम द लिटरेरी वर्क. अगर आप लोग कोई नैरेटिव ऐसे लिख रहे हैं, किसी स्टोरी के बारे में लिख रहे हैं या किसी वजह के बारे में लिख रहे हैं, उसका मूड होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप लोग सीरियस ऐसे लिख रहे हैं और उसके बीच में आप लोग कॉमेडी की बातें शुरू कर दें. या इफ़ यू आर राइटिंग अबाउट अ कॉमिक ऐसे एंड यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग सीरियस, नो, यू हैव टू गो विद द मूड और टोन ऑफ दैट essay. Then come with tone. It is the attitude of the writer towards his or her subject. Then style. This is the special way in which the ideas of the essay are developed. एक स्टाइल होता है, एक प्रॉपर तरीका होना चाहिए that in what way you are going to write that essay. So hope you have learned well about the types of essay. If you have any query, do comment me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. Also remember to subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so that you can get my latest videos right here on YouTube. Happy learning and we'll see you in other lessons. Allah Hafiz.